Okay, what do you do? Come here. Tell me. Stand in front of the camera. I want to know how to make pizza. Tell me how to make it. Stand right there.
Get dough. Cinnamon.
No, I want to know how to make a pizza.
You get all the dough.
What do you do to the dough?
Get all the dough and you pat it. And get
Do you make it spin in the air too?
You
make it go in a circle?
You need to throw it and then you catch it.
And then what do you put on the pizza?
Cheese.
A little bit or a lot? Stop.
Pizza sauce.
A little bit or a lot of cheese?
A lot of cheese and pizza sauce.
And what else?
Not pizza sauce.
What else? What do pizzas always have on them most of the time?
Pepperoni.
Stop, Bubba. Do you like pepperoni on your pizza?
Oh yeah.
And sausage? Do you like sausage on your pizza?
And make it. Take picture me.
And bacon?
Yeah.
I'm recording you right now. And what about, do you like pineapple on your pizza?
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Do you like pineapple? What about chilies, hot chilies?
Oh yeah, no.
No? Oh yeah, no? What else do you like? How do you make cinnamon knots?
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Make a dough.
And what?
Oh,
how do you make cinnamon knots?
Get cinnamon and make a circle. And that's done.
And that's done?
Yeah.
Then where do you put the circles at?
In the oven. In the oven, and you cook it.
And do you put butter on them?
Oh no.
You don't put any butter?
No, you can't.
No? You can't?
No. My dad gets angry.
He does? What about what does Uncle Victor do?
Oh yeah.
Does he know how to make knots?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You know what he makes?
What does he make?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon knots?
No.
Does he know how to make calzones? Do you know what a calzone is?
Who's it? The big sub. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Like that.
Are you gonna work at the pizza shop?
Yeah.
Yeah? When you get older? Okay, bye.